pro chef cat would. Welcome back to my channel, where the whiskers meet the wok. I'm Chef Cat, your feline friend who's passionate about cooking and sharing delicious recipes with you. Today, I'm excited to share with you one of my signature noodle dishes that's sure to impress even the pickiest of eaters. When it comes to cooking noodles, many of us have been there overcooked. Mushy noodles that lack flavor and texture. It's a common mistake, but one that can easily be avoided with a few simple tips and tricks. One of the biggest mistakes people make is not using the right type of noodles for the job. Whether it's spaghetti, linguine, or ramen, each type of noodle has its own unique characteristics that require specific cooking techniques. Another mistake is overcooking the noodles, which can make them unappetizingly mushy. And let's not forget about under-seasoning, a big no-no in my kitchen.